Touch.
Okay, so good.
Well, she's already done everything we wanted her to learn. Off. Good girl. So I tell you what, when you're doing off, make sure you give the energy of ha! Right? You want it to be startling. Okay? You want to startle them. It changes that frame of mind.
Right.
You know what I mean? They go from to oh boy. You know, so really pop off with the you know, whichever one you use that comes quick, whichever one you use that comes quick to you,
Yeah.
just any type of a corrective tone is going to do it. You know, just make sure it's sharp off. Good girl.
You can say off and down.
That's tough
That and catching
to
it early.
choose.